Hello everyone, this is Mark. In today's video, I'm going to show you the setup process of IDGSP DTF printer. I make a setup process. I will follow this process to set up this printer in front of us. The next thing I'm going to do is to check the machine mechanical parts, the bed and the grating drawers. Open the lid. This is the motion bed, and above it is the grading ruler. The brown one is the motion bed, and this gray one above is the grading ruler. This is the working table with a vacuum table fine below, and this is the roller to feed or reject the films. If we move on the right, this is the ink station with 6 ink damper, 5 colors. From the left to the right, the first color is yellow, the second one is the key or black, the third and fourth is white, the fifth color is magenta, the last one is cyan. Now I will plug the socket to get some power. And turn on the switch. This socket is for the wiring mixer. I will connect to test if it works great or not. I'll turn on the power. It's spin, that means it works. When we have the power cable plugged in, we can have this blue LED light up. That means the machine has the power. And this is the power button. Now we didn't press this power button. We just pressed the left around and the right around. The right around is the feeding paper or feeding film, and this left around is the rejecting paper. This knob controls the pressure of the vacuum table. If I turn it clockwise, you can hear the sound from the fan. If I turn it counterclockwise, the fan sound was disappeared. We can adjust this pressure as we need to make sure the film was working or stick at the working table with suitable pressure. After the printer mechanical parts check, I will turn on the power button and see the print head if working in order or not.